Innovation meets productivity. A7 Security Hunters and Hacker Computer School proudly introduce WebMark Pro, a powerful Windows-based website bookmark manager designed for cybersecurity professionals, ethical hackers, developers, students, researchers, and technology enthusiasts. WebMark Pro helps users organize, manage, and access their favorite websites quickly and efficiently. With WebMark Pro, you can create unlimited website categories, organize bookmarks category-wise, save website names, URLs, and descriptions, open websites instantly with one click, edit and manage bookmarks anytime, import bookmarks from backup files, export bookmarks for migration and data backup, maintain a structured collection of valuable online resources. Whether you're managing cybersecurity tools, AI platforms, research websites, learning portals, or development resources, WebMark Pro keeps everything organized and accessible. This software has been proudly developed by the A7 Security Hunters and Hacker Computer School development team as part of our mission to create practical tools for cybersecurity professionals and students. And we're excited to announce that WebMark Pro is now officially included in the Certified Expert Ethical Hacker (CEEH) Toolkit, giving CEEH candidates access to another powerful productivity tool designed to support their cybersecurity journey. The CEEH Toolkit continues to grow with custom-built tools, utilities, and resources developed in-house by the A7 Security Hunters team. At A7 Security Hunters and Hacker Computer School, we don't just teach cybersecurity, we build tools, create solutions, and empower the next generation of ethical hackers. WebMark Pro, built for professionals, included in the CEEH Toolkit, developed by A7 Security Hunters and Hacker Computer School. A7securityhunters.com, hackercomputerschool.com.
You to see it.